Meron tayong dalawang bagay sa mundo na kailangang isipin. Meron tayong tinatawag na controllable things and uncontrollable things. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Pag sinabi natin controllable things, ito yung bagay na may kaya i-manage, pwedeng kontrolin. Ibig sabihin, for example, yung pag-aaral mo, kaya mong kontrolin yung kakalabasan niyan. Makakatapos ka ba with honors or whatsoever. Ikaw may control niyan. Kasi ikaw ang nag-aaral eh. Tama ba? Meron naman tayong mga bagay na hindi kontrolado. Ano yung mga yon? Yan. Commonly, others people's mind, others people's action. So, for an instance, just like your parents, pag nag-aaway sila, you don't have control over it. Pero, as long as you are not an additional problem, maniwala kayo, they are mature enough to realize they are the one that is a problem and they need to fix it. Because nakakahiya naman, anak ko pa ang gumagawa ng solusyon para maayos ang lahat. Huwag ka mag-alala, marirealize nila yan at the end. Yun nga lang, you need to be patient, you need to be faithful, and at the same time is do whatever it takes na unahin mong matupad, na maging persistent ka and consistent sa pagtupad sa mga pangarap mo.